students, let us continue with our chapter number 1, large number. What is rounding number here? Let us revise first. For rounding of number to the nearest 10, we have to look at the ones place, and if it is more than or equal to 5, we increase the digit at the tens place by 1 and place 0 at ones place. Means when we want to round 10, if it is more than or equal to 5, we increase the digit at tens place by 1 and the remaining ones place, which is that we place there 0. And if it is less than 5, if the ones digit is less than 5, we replace the 1 digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. Next, we have seen how to round off to the nearest 100. When we want to round 100, we look at 10th place. Now, this 10th place is more than or equal to 5. We increase the digit at 100 place by 1 and we place 0 at tens and ones place. And if the tens place is less than 5, then we replace the tens and ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. And the third one, we have studied how to round off the number to the nearest 1000. What we do first, we look at 100 place. Then if the 100 place is more than or equal to 5, then we increase the digit at 1000 place by 1 and we place 0 at 100, tens and ones place. And if the 100 place is less than 5, then we replace the 100, tens and ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. Now using this method, we will solve. Let us solve exercise 1.4, question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. First one is 35. Okay student, 35. First what we'll do, we'll underline, as this is 10 is given, so we'll underline 10 place. Now we'll have underlined, so we'll look at the ones place. Now here one place is 5, which is more than equal to 5. So the 10th place will increase by 1. So 3 will become 4 and this ones place will be replaced by 0. So your answer is 40. That means 35 when rounded off to the nearest 10, answer is 40. B1, 249. We want to round out 10 to the nearest 10. So first we will underline tens place. Okay. Now we will underline here. We will look at the ones place. Now ones place is here 9, which is more than 5. So the 10th place will increase by 1 and ones place will be replaced by 0. So this 4 when increased by 1 will become 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 250. That means 249 when rounded off to the nearest 10, answer is 250. Next one, 6982. Now first what we'll do, we'll underline 10th place. Okay, now we'll look at the ones place. Now here ones place is 2, which is less than 5. So the 10th place will remain as it is and the ones place will be 0. So your answer is 6980. That means 6982 when rounded to the nearest 10, your answer is 6980. D1, 46,734. First we'll underline 10th place. Okay, now we'll look at the ones place, which is 4 here, which is less than 5. So 10th place will, the remaining, this all will remain same and 4 will be replaced by 0. So your answer is 46730. So 46,734 rounded off to the nearest 10, answer is 46,730. Now E1, 2,98,326. First we'll underline 10th place. Now we'll look at the ones place. Now here ones place is 6, which is more than 5. So we'll increase tens place by 1. So this 2 will become 3 and ones place will replace by 0. So your answer is 2,98,330. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 is round off the following number to the nearest 100. Now what we want to round? To the nearest 100. So what we'll do first? We'll look at the 10th place. Now look, first number is 97. Now if you look student here, this is 97. Here 100 is told, but here 3 digit is not given. But you can think that 97 is close to 90 and in 100. So 97 is very close to 100, or we can say this is what we are going to do. We are going to look at the 10th place. 10th place is here 9. So 9 is more than 5. So what we'll do? We'll increase this number. So 9 will become here 10. So your answer is 100. Question number B, 235. So what we'll do? First we'll underline the 100 place. So what is your 100 place here? 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to look at the 10th place. Now here 10th place is 3, which is less than 5. So what we'll do? We'll keep this 10th place and 1 place 0, and this 2 will be same as it is. So your answer is 200. C1, 6358. So what we'll do? First we'll underline 100 place. 100 place is here 3. Yes, we have done here. We have underlined. Now what we are going to do? We are going to look at the 10th place. Now this 10th place is more than and equal to 5. This is equal to 5. So what we'll do? We'll place this tens and 1 0, and we'll increase this 3 by 1. So 3, when it is increased by 1, this 3 will become 4. So 6, 4, and we write down this as a 0 0. So your answer is 6400. Okay, the next one is 57,631. So what we'll do? First we'll underline 100 place. We have underlined. Now what we are going to do? We are going to look at the 10th place. Now this 10th place is 3 here, which is less than 5. So what we'll do? We'll keep this remaining digit as it is, and we'll place tens and ones 0. So your answer is 57600. 57600 means 57,600. Next one, 9,87,654. What we'll do? We'll round off to the nearest 100. So we'll underline first 100 place. Yes, we have underlined. So what we are going to look now? We are going to look at the 10th place, which is 5. So as it is 5, so we are going to increase 100 place by 1. So 6 will become 7, and tens and ones will become 0. So this 654 here, it will become 700, and this number will be as it is. So your answer is 9,87, and this become here 7. Solve question number 3. Question number 3 is round off the following number to the nearest 1000. Okay, first one, 1632. So student, first what we'll do? We'll underline 1000 place. Okay, here 1000 place is 1. So we'll look at the 100 place. Now this 100 place, which is 6, which is more than 5. So 1000 place will increase by 1. That means this will become 1 plus 1 become 2, and 100 tens and ones will become 0. So your answer is 2000. That means 1632 when rounded off to the nearest 100. Your answer is 2000. Next one, 3172. First underline 1000 place. Now look at the 100 place. Now 100 place is here 1, which is less than 5. So this 3 will be as it is, and 100 tens and ones will become 0. So your answer is 3000. That means 3172 when rounded off to the nearest 100. Answer is 3000. Next one, 15,821. So first we'll do underline. Then we'll look at the 100 place. Now 100 place is here 8. So we'll increase 1000 place by 1. So this 5 will become 6, and 8 to 1, which is 100 tens and ones will become, we'll replace it by 0. So your answer is 15,821 when rounded off to the nearest 10. Your answer is 16,000. Next one, 6,25,500. Okay, Now first what we'll do, we'll underline 1000 place. Okay, 1000 place is here 5. Now we'll look at the 100 place. Now 100 place is here 5, which is more than equal to 5. So this 5 will be increased by 1, and this 100 tens and ones will place by 0. So your answer is 6,26,000. That means 6,25,500. When rounded up to the nearest 10, your answer is 6,26,000. Even 17,49,235. First we'll underline 1000 place. Okay, 1000 place is 9. Now look at the 100 place. 100 place is 2 here, which is less than 5. So 100 tens and ones will be replaced by 0, and the remaining will remain same. So your answer is 17,49,000. That means 17,49,235. When rounded off to the nearest 10, your answer is 17,49,000. Next question, question number 4. Round off the sum of 14,325, 69,283 and 5,713. This we had to round off to the nearest 100, and then we had to do that sum. So first what we'll do, we'll take one by one this number. Okay, first I have taken here 14,325. I have written next 69,283, next 5,730. Now we'll round off this number to the nearest 100. So 100, when come on student, when we round off this 100 place, okay, this is 2, so this will become here, this will become 300. That means this will become here 14,300. Okay, the next one is, okay, this is 100 place, so we're going to look at 10 place. 10 place is here more than 5. So what we are going to do, we are going to increase this 100 place by 1. So 2 will become 3 and 0. So your answer is 69,300. Next is 5,730. We are going to look at the 100 place. Sorry, we are going to look at the 10 place. So 10 place is less than 5 here. So we are going to keep this 7 as it is and this remaining 0. So your answer is 5,700. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do sum. Sum means we are going to add, and when we add, your answer is 89,300. Now next one, question number 5. Round off the difference between 7,24,810 and 62,729 to the nearest 1000. So what we'll do, first we'll write down this number, then we'll round off to the nearest 1000 and we'll take the difference. Difference means we are going to take minus. Okay, we have written this number, then we have round off this number. See, here is 1000, so here is 8. We are going to do 100 place. 8 is more than 5, so this 4 will become here 5. So here 4 become 5 and remaining 0. Now if you see this 1000 place is here 2. We are going to look at 100 place. 100 place is also more than 5 years, so this 2 will become 3. So your answer is 63,000. Now what we want to do, we want to do difference. So we'll take here minus and we are going to do the subtraction. So your answer is 6,62,000. Okay. Question number 6. Round off the product of 39 and 643 to the nearest 10. Now what we want to do, we want to round product of 39 and 643 to the nearest 10. So what we'll do, first we'll write down the number 39, then 643. We'll round off this 39 to the nearest 10. So what will be the answer? Come on student, tell me. 39 will become, yes, 40. Very good. And this 643 will become, see, this is 10 place. One's place is less than 5, so 4 will remain as it is and this will become 0. So answer will be 640. Now what we want to do, product. Product means what? Multiplication. And now what we'll do, we'll multiply this. So 0, 0 here will be 0 and we'll multiply 64 into 4. You are getting here 25,600. So after rounding off your product, you will get answers 25,600. 600. Question number 7. Round off 9,35,742 to the nearest thousand. This is very simple question. Just one number is given and this we want to round out to the nearest thousand. So let us write down first number. Here you have written number. This we want to round out to the nearest thousand. Now which is thousand place here? Thousand place is here 5. So what we are going to do? We are going to look at the 100 place. Now this 100 place is more than 5. So this 5 will increase by 1 and 100 tens and ones will remain 0. So this 35 here 9 lakh and this 33 and this 5 will become 6. So 9 lakh 36,000. Question number 8. Round off 5 crores 26 lakh 80,347. Large number is given. This we want to round out to the nearest thousand. Again what we'll write down? We'll write down this 5 crore 26 lakh 80,346 to the nearest thousand. Now we'll write out. Now which is thousand place? Okay, oh this is thousand place is here 0. Then what we are going to do? We are going to see at 100 place. 100 place is 3 which is less than 5. So as this is less than 5, so this thousand place will be as it is. This all remaining will remain same and 100 tens and ones will become here 0. So your answer is 5 crores 26 lakh 80,000. Next question. Question number 9. Round off 46,978 to the nearest 10, 100,000. Okay, this one number is given and this one number we have to round out to the nearest 10 also, 100 also, 1000 also. Let's do one by one. Now first one, we will take the number and we'll round out to the nearest 10. Okay, we have written here 46,978. We want to round to the nearest 10. So which is 10 place here? 7. What we are going to do? We are going to look at the ones place. Now this ones place is what? More than 5. So what we'll do now? This 10 place we will increase by 1. So 7 will become 8 and the 8 will become 0 and this all the remaining will be as it is. So what will answer? 76,988. This 7 is increased by 1, so it become 8 here and the ones place we have written as a 0. Now let us take second one. Okay, same number we have written. We have to round out to the nearest 1000. Now, sorry, 100. Now 100 place is what here? 9. As it is 9, we are going to see 10 place. Now 10 place is more than 5. So this 9 will increase by 1. So 9 will become 10. So when we write down 10, which is 2-digit number, so one number is here 0 and 1 we will add to the next one. So this 6 will become here 7. So your answer is 47,000. The next one is we want to round out same number to the nearest 1000. So we are going to look at the 1000 place. As this is 1000 place, so we are going to look at the 100 place. Now 100 place is also more than 5. So this 1000 place will increase by 1. So this 6 will become 7 and this 100 tens and ones will become 0. So your answer is 47,000. Next one, question number 10. 27,854 visitors went for the book fair. Rewrite this sentence. Now this sentence is given. This sentence we want to rewrite with the number rounded off to the nearest 100. So this number, this sentence will round out to the nearest 100. So what we'll do first? We'll write out 27,854 rounded off to the nearest 100. So what will be the answer? Okay, this is 100 place. We'll look at the 10th place. Okay, this is 5 which is more than or equal to 5. So 8 will be increased by 1 which is 100. We have increased by 1 and tens and ones will remain 0. So your answer is 27,900. So after rounding off the number to the nearest 100, we got here 27,900. And so we write down the answer. About 27,900 visitors went for the book fair. Okay students, now here we have completed the chapter. So Once again, you revise all the exercise of this chapter number 1, large number. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.